Now, we will talk about maintenance. You can manage it with your dealer, who tells you that he needs this maintenance. He tells you the list of maintenance to be done, and then you enter the deadline. Otherwise, you ask the dealer to enter the deadline. The deadline will remain as history, so it will always remain visible. Let's make an example of the addition of a maintenance. Let's select the vehicle, for example the 738. Active or inactive, let's say that the vehicle was going to be maintained tomorrow, but the vehicle is waiting for a piece that arrives from the mother's house, so I can put it in the active mode. Then I put a note, first inspection. I fill the email to which the notification must arrive. I can also insert 2 or more emails separated by semicolons. And then, I select what kind of inspection. That is, inspection with which deadline, or for hours of work, but this obviously has to be in the maintenance table. Or ampere per hour consumed, but already here it is a very specific thing, so it is done by the dealer. The hours of the LEQ, or hours of service, so actually how many hours of service a vehicle must do. Or, the simplest thing, is the service date. So, normally, the dealers give a time period, let's say first inspection in 3 months, because normally the vehicles must settle, the mechanics, the aerodynamics must be settled. So, maybe next service is in 3 months, we put directly the date, so 3 months from today, the 12th, then January, and 2024. Here we can also put first inspection. Maybe, the dealer can specify belt control. Of course this, if it is inserted, it will remain in the history, belt, chain, brake control, etc. Here, we set only this. Everything else is the opening date of the service and the closing date. This will be completed as maintenance is opened. Then, we can put another service. Let's say for instance that after 3 months, the service is every 6 months, or every year. Service date. So January 12th, 2025. The note second inspection, etc. Once completed the entire service cycle, let's save. So, January 12th, 2023 a service will occur on the vehicle page, with this icon. And then obviously every service will be signed as completed or not completed, based on the moment in which it is actually completed by the dealer. Once completed, this icon will disappear. Obviously there are services created as an example.